Follow the channel and stay tuned for learning videos.
Okay. Okay. Let me open the Sales Hub app, and then let me open the opportunity that we have created yesterday. Just a second. Okay, let me open it. Okay. So as discussed yesterday, so the opportunity is the one which salesperson has to work with the business to complete the deal. Okay, so the salesperson has to work with the whoever the contact person, whether it can be a IT manager or someone from the organization IT firm contacted for this purchase, and the salesperson has to get in touch with him to get the more details about what they really want to buy from us. Okay, so after the opportunity got created, the salesperson has to get the exact details of the which products they want to buy from us. Okay, for that, uh, once he got the salesperson got the details from the business, salesperson has to capture here. So uh, before even capturing in the opportunities, we should have to create the product. Whatever we are gonna add, the price list or the product, whatever we are gonna add here, we first have to create. Okay, first let me go to the price list. So the price list is something like your product is in which currency. Okay, for example, I'm selling some goods. Maybe let's suppose say the laptops, right? I might be selling my all laptops or the few laptops, whatever the laptops I'm selling them in the Indian currency, then I'll add this price list to that product. Okay, so currency matter here. So for the price list, whatever I'm gonna create, for example, let me create, already we have Indian price list, so I'm not creating it. Let me take another one. Uh, Okay, currency types. Take France euro. Okay, currency code here, and if you have exchange rate, you can provide. I'm not sure. I'll just provide something, and that's it. I'll save and then go back. I'm gonna add that currency to my price list, and name is euro price list. Okay, so the price list is just having, first we will have to just provide what is the currency, and then for this price list, what are the price list items? Nothing but what are the goods that are associated with the price list. For example, right now I'm saying the laptops, right? If I add my laptops here, for whenever I'm adding those laptops to the opportunity, this currency will by default will get applicable for those products. So in the opportunity, I don't have to manually enter the price list, but whatever the price list that we are adding here, no, I mean, if I'm adding my product in the price list, then that will get applicable in the opportunity. See that as well. So before adding price list item, I'll have to create the product. Okay, before going to the product, I'll just show you what not from here, directly I'll show you. So what are the required fields that we need to create the products? I'll show you. Okay, so these are all the fields that are present in the product to capture the product information. First one is name and then product ID. Obviously, you know, name is nothing but what is the product, and the product ID is a unique ID for each product. And then if you have any parent product, for example, for I'm storing my all laptops under the laptop product, and under that I have a multiple variants, like maybe the from the different types like HP, Dell, Lenovo, that kind of, or the HP Firebook, something like that, based on the series and all. I can have a multiple products under one parent instead of creating them individually. And then unit group, default unit, default price list, and decimal supported. What are these? So the unit group is nothing but under which unit we are actually binding them. It's like, uh, for example, I need to know like how I'm selling this product. If I'm selling the laptops, means is it like one laptop I'm selling, or a pack of two, or pack of six? So that is the kind of like unit group that we are mentioning here. Okay, so the unit is nothing but one or two, that kind of thing. Let me show you, you'll get an idea. So this is by default, we have one default unit, and in the default unit, primary unit is the base one. So it's like one for everything. And if I am creating another unit, for example, for my product, I'm saying laptop, maybe Lenovo laptop, and whenever I am adding this product to the opportunity, then it's like I need to sell two laptops at a once. Let's suppose say, so two at a once, I'm planning to sell them. So in that scenario, instead of the default unit as a primary unit, I can create another unit where I can mention. Let me show you that first. It's like everything is interconnected. So I'll okay, fine, just okay. Okay, default unit. And here, if you see units, what are the units? Primary unit is the base one, and it will not have any base unit because this itself is the base unit, primary units itself. So if I'm going to create another one, I'll say, so let's suppose say box. And what is the quantity? I'm saying box, maybe it will have a two. Whatever I'm selling, the quantity will be two. Here I'm selling the laptops, so the quantity will be two. In a box, I'm selling two laptops. And what is the base unit? Primary unit. And save and close. Okay, now go back here while creating the product, this product, whatever. Here I'll be selecting default unit. And what is the default unit? Will it be, are you going to sell this product as one or as box? Okay, it can be anything. For example, if it is not laptops, let's suppose say maybe something which we have in bulk, like maybe the pens or pencils, that kind of thing, or the cool drinks. How we gonna sell them? Is it like the single piece, or is it gonna the box or the carton? Like maybe if we say half dozen and dozen, 6 and 12, that kind of units will be having, right? So that way you can mention your own unit name, and in that unit how many quantity that product is actually having, so that whenever you are adding this product to opportunity, while calculating the price, the system will automatically calculate based on the unit that you have mentioned. For example, here I've mentioned the unit as box, and this box is having two quantity of laptops, and based on the price list, the price will get automatically calculated in the opportunity. Okay, don't get confused. I'll just show you everything one by one. So, do you understand about the unit group and default unit first?
So the default unit is the quantity, right, of
No,
laptops?
no,
No?
it's like a uh, uh, we can say it's like a group, we can say. So
Okay.
right now I'm having a default unit only. If not, I can create another one. Maybe this one I can use for the laptops. Maybe if I'm gonna sell milk, then I'll say milk, and that is in what liters, milk in liters, something.
Okay.
And primary unit can be liters. Okay.
Okay.
Now for
Mm-hmm.
this unit group, the primary unit will I mean the base unit will be liters. And from here you can add multiple. Is it like the 5 liter? I mean, I don't know the gallon something will be having, right? So
Mm.
that you can
Yeah.
mention 1 gallon, maybe the 20 liters, quantity 20 you can mention, so that whenever you are adding this unit group to
Mm.
the product based on the unit, whatever unit you are providing. For example, this I say gallon, and quantity I'm
Okay.
saying 20, and base unit is liters. Okay, save and close, and go back to the product. And here in maybe the milk, whatever milk, heritage, Vishaka or whatever. And here I'll add the my unit group. So actually the product, whatever I'm selling, how I'm measuring, that is what it is. Unit group means how
Okay.
I'm measuring. And the
Measuring. Okay.
default measuring, and the default unit for this product I'm saying, because I can create a multiple products, right? For each product, how you are selling them, one, two, based on the unit. Is it kgs, liters, or gallons? Like if it is 1 gallon,
Mm.
how many quantities this product you're gonna sell? So that kind of
Okay.
the default,
Mm.
I mean the unit. Okay.
Okay.
And then default price list. So whenever you are providing the default price list here, no, in the opportunity, you don't have to provide the price list again. So if you add the product directly, the price list will get added there. And based on the price list and the unit, the whatever the product price will get automatically calculated in the opportunity. We don't have to do anything manually. Okay.
Mm.
Here
Okay. Got
decimal supported is something. For example, I'm saying I'm selling the milk. So milk can be 1 liter, 2 liter, and 1.5 liter will also be there. But for the laptop, it's like one only, or two, three. It's not like in decimals, it's not possible. It's not possible to sell 1.5 laptop, right? So how many decimals supported this product? If I'm selling the milk, then I would say maybe 1.5 liters and all, right? Then I'll say one, because how many decimals you're expecting? 1.5 means here zero point 0.5. I'm expecting only one extra decimal. If you are selling 1.25 means 1 liter, and the 250 ml as well, then you can say the decimal supported as 2, that way. Oh, sorry, 3. 1.25, 1.25, yeah, 2 only. So that way, how many decimals you can actually expect in this while selling them. So if I'm selling the laptops, then I'll simply say 0, because it's only number, whole number only, 1 or 2 or 3, that way. Okay, so that is about the decimal supported. Subject, I think it's just an extra fill. You can just ignore for it now. Name, we are already providing it anyway. Okay, so let me first create one for us for our opportunity. Lenovo. What is it? ThinkPad. And product ID, mostly based on the organization, unique ID, they will actually decide. In some organization, they will be having some number, DRP number or something they will prefer. And for all the products, they follow the same pattern. For example, maybe this way. 10 or 11. So it's based on the organization. This will change, but this will be unique for each product. It will not. I mean, this the same product ID cannot be part of two products. Okay, and if I'm the parent one, I'll come later. We will add that one as well, and valid from valid to, so until when you can use this product. So that is one. I'm not going to use this for now. And unit group is this, not this. Default unit, and then I'm saying box. It will be having a 2 for now. They asked for the 1,000 laptops, but for now I'm adding only the box. And decimal supported 0. Let me save it first. Okay, now you can add the price list as well. I'm saying Indian price list, Indian rupees only. The transaction should be. Okay. Now in the product properties, you can add like the we will be having we will be seeing, right, in Amazon and all. Whenever we open any product, we will see the description about the product. We will be seeing all the details, like what is the features, I would say. So that you can provide here. Okay, additional details, price list items. Okay, now I'll say price list. I'll add now India price list, and product is Lenovo and unit is box, currency Indian rupee, and discount list. Like if you are providing any discount list, this is the base price list, and on top of it, if you're gonna provide any discount list, that also you can provide. I'll show you how this looks like after creating this one. And quantity selling option, no controller, whole and fractional. This also we can mention. What else are required? Pricing information, pricing method, and amount of this one is laptop. I don't know, 1 lakh is sufficient. Okay. Rounding policy, if we have any, we can provide, otherwise not required. We are going with whole number right now, that is fine. So this is about the product pricing information. Okay. Amount is this one for the Lenovo ThinkPad. Okay, now go back. We'll come to the discount entity later. I'll show you that one as well. Now I have created this one, and come to this pricing also later. And then we'll go back one step. So I have created my product now. We'll try to add them to the opportunity so that we'll see how the other values are getting calculated. Okay, I'm just going to select price. Okay. India price list. Add product. Select product. Existing product. Sorry. Wait. Look for existing product. Okay, this is in draft start. My bad. We'll have to publish this product. Otherwise, it will not be available to add to the opportunity. Existing product. Now you can see Lenovo ThinkPad and unit is box. and the price per unit is this much, and quantity is 1 box, and I'm not providing any discount, and I'm not adding any tax as well for now. And this will okay. Okay, and now if I'm gonna create a oh, let me see when it got created. Is the product got added? No, let me create a new quote again. It's just that I'm going to check whether this quote contains the product or not that we have added. You can see whatever I have added, I can see the details in the quote. So the quote is another entity which will capture all the details about the product that we have added in the opportunity. So that this we will be sending them as a proposal that these are the products that you have requested, and this is the price, and this is the quantity, and if you are gonna provide any discount, that also you can mention here, and if it has a tax, anything is there that you can mention, and you can send it to them. Okay, and before that I will add one more thing. So maybe it's not always only the laptops, they might be need a combo like the laptop and the headset and then charger. Okay, everything we cannot be add in a single product, but we can combine them. So that is what this product bundle is. So I'm creating a bundle here. Whatever the products that you want to sell in a combo, like together, then you can add them into a bundle, and then that bundle you can directly add as a product in your opportunity. For example, I'm saying uh, lap- laptop combo and product ID 10011, and parent I have not created, so I'm not giving it default unit, and then I'll go with primary one only, decimal supported 0, and then save it. What else? Okay, now add the default price list, India price list, and save. Okay, now you have to add the bundle products. This is the bundle. In the bundle, what products you want to bind. So the Lenovo ThinkPad, quantity 1, look for unit, primary unit 1 only, and then save it. Same way, I'm gonna create another product saying headset, product ID 1000112, no parent, and then default unit and primary unit, decimal supported 0 itself, because not possible with the decimals. Oh, it got replaced. Let me add another ThinkPad. In units is primary unit, save. Back, add another one. Headset, quantity 1, units, primary unit, save. Okay. Now maybe add the charger as well. Quantity 1, unit, primary unit. Oh, wait. Charger 1000013, 14, I guess. Unit group default unit, primary unit 0. Then save and close. Primary unit. Save. Now this is my laptop combo, and if they want combo wise, I can add that as well. And if you go back, you will see the product structure as a product. So these are all the products, but this one is a product bundle. and let me publish it. Confirm. Okay. Okay, I'm now going back to the opportunity and adding another product here. Um, okay, laptop combo, then done. Product can't it's not on the price list for this opportunity. Indian price list only, no, we have selected. Let me see. So in an opportunity, it's always better. In a price list, it's always better to have the same kind of price list items instead of different price list. But I think we have selected everything as the for them we have not selected. I'm sorry. India price list. So in a price list, it's always better to not to mix the type of this price list, either Indian rupee or the US dollars, whatever it is, but the one we have to fix. Yeah, that's all, no? Now go back. India price list only, but let me set up this. Yeah, here we have to add them. Indian rupee pricing information, currency amount is really don't know. For now, I'm just giving the basic details to show you the entire flow. Okay, now go back to the opportunity and then add product. What else we have missed? I'm sorry. Charger, headset, Lenovo ThinkPad Okay. Sorry, this one. Okay, so here the unit came as primary unit. If you want to change it, you can change, but I think it's coming from the price list item itself, because for everything we have mentioned a primary unit. And here you can mention the quantity. For example, they have asked for 1,000 laptops, so I'm saying 1,000. For 1,000 laptop, they've asked for the combo itself, so this one. And any manual discount amount, how much you wanna give. Like for example, this is 1,12,000. If you want to reduce it to maybe 1,10,000 or something, the exact discount that you're gonna provide, that you can mention here, and the tax also you can provide here. Say just 2,007 course. Okay, this is the flow for adding the products. Let me delete this one, or let it be otherwise. Okay, you can see extended amount is something, the final amount, how much you have to pay. And here you can see after the discount, it's showing this much amount. And after adding the details, these are the two products that they want, and all the details the salesperson has captured, and then we can create the quote. But before going to the quote, I'll just briefly explain you the entire process. So after the creating of the opportunity, uh, the salesperson has to add the products. But before adding the products, we'll have to first create them in our organization, right? So for that one, for an product to be created, we need a unit. So like in which units you are gonna measure your product, and then what is the default unit? Is it like liter or kc or something like that? So those are the two things that we have to first create for our product first, and then after that we can start creating our products. Okay, you have seen already in the product, we just have to mention the name, product id, and then unit group is something which you want, in which you want to measure, and what is the default unit, and then price list and decimal supported also. I think you got an idea, right? Any questions for the product, unit group, and default unit and default price list? Any questions, or you guys understood this one? Okay, if no questions, we'll forward. So this is about the product. And once you're done creating the products, you have to add them to the price list. So here default price list you have added, but inside the price list, if you add them as a price list items, there you'll be providing the exact price of the product. For example, let me go back and I'll go to the opportunities again. Okay. Here for this entire opportunity, my price list is a India price list. So inside it, I'm having the all the items which actually the transaction of those products will be in Indian rupees. Okay, so whatever I want the products to be added here, I'll add them here, so that I can only select these whatever the price list. For example, in opportunity, I have selected the India price list. So whatever the price list items present in this, only those I can add to the opportunity. Okay, so how many you want, you can add here, and then go back to the opportunity, and then you can add them here. For opportunity, for this business deal, what are all the products we need, we can add them. Okay. And then once you add them, we will be sending our first proposal to them. Okay. So every time you add a new product, I don't think if you have already created a new code, and after the creation of the code, if you add any product, that will not get updated in the existing code. You have to create a new one. For example, let me open this. So we have created this after adding this product. So there is no product details about the combo, right? So let me go back, and maybe I'll just, anyway, these are in draft state, let it be, and I can create a new code. So whenever I click on new code, all the product details, it will create a new code. Two product details. What is the unit, price per unit, quantity, discount, and extended amount. For detailed amount, this one, complete. There is no total tax and all. And sales information, like from which opportunity this code belongs to and who is the potential customer here. Okay. And the price list details and everything is there. I'll just save it. And now this proposal, we have to send it to the potential customer. So whatever the communication information that we have, we will be sending them this one. So for that one, we have an option, export to PDF. Okay. See, you can see the templates as well. Print code for customer. There are two available, code summary and print code for summary. Whatever like looks good for you, you can just use them. And either you can download it, or if you select email, a email record will get created by attaching this PDF. Okay, let me create email. Okay, this is also a record. Email is an entity, activity entity in D365, and this is a record. So when you click email record will get created, and you can see in attachments the code is present, and you will draft whatever you want to say to them. Sorry, it's informal here. So here is the proposal list. It's too informal. Okay, attachment, and then you can send it. So they'll check the code, and if they have any questions, for example, the discount, it seems to be very less, so they might be asked for it, or they want to adjust the products. Okay, at the time, what we can do, we can revise it again. For example, I think we have to activate it, and then if we have to activate and then export to PDF. And then if they asked us to change something, instead of creating new again, we can revise it again. Revise the code. Okay. And then you can send it again. Okay. Any questions? Guys, you're able to understand or not?
Nothing from my side.
Okay. So
Yeah.
if they need to adjust any product details or anything, no, so they can revise again, and that fresh code they can send again as a proposal. So once they are done, I mean, if they are okay with the products and the pricing and everything, then an order will be created. Activate this one. Okay, so the quote is completed. Active is nothing but we are ready to create an order for them. So they are ready to buy our products, and we are ready to create an order. Like we have to pack them or get from warehouse or something we'll be having, right? So we'll have to create an order for this opportunity once the quote is done only. So the code done is nothing but they are okay with the products, okay with the price list, everything is done. Okay, and then order. And once the order we also once the order is also complete, then we will fulfill it and then create the invoice.
So after the quote, you will do fulfill order, is it?
After quote, we'll have to create order, yes. And then if
Yeah.
order is completed, we can fulfill it.
Is there any button to say that the quote is being accepted, or it's just
The
once quote is
communication through
created?
mails only. I mean,
Okay.
the quote we have created and we have sent to them through email, right? So that
Yeah.
through that email only they'll be coming like, yeah, we are good with it and we can go ahead with the deal. That
Okay.
way.
So
It's through
after that, you will do
communication.
create order.
After that, I'll come here. Whoever the salesperson working on this deal will come here and will create order.
Okay.
Pretty much same details, but it's just that the different one, the entity.
Okay. Fulfill
Okay.
order is like submitting, is it, for fulfillment?
Order is completed. We've sent them actually.
Okay.
Send the goods. And once you are done with fulfilling it, we can create. I think before itself we can
Oh,
create it. Uh, we can create the invoice with all the details. Invoice paid or cancel invoice. Like if they paid, we can complete them as invoice paid. If there is an issue, then we can cancel the invoice as well. And then we can go back again to the order and then we can create invoice again. Way.
Okay.
Yeah. So invoice is the last step for the sales. So this from the code to invoice, everything is like details will be same, but the how the data is actually storing is actually different. So in the code, first is it is only for the proposal. So everything product related details and the price list, everything will be same. What is the amount, discount, everything will be same, and we are just sending them so that these are the details about what you're gonna buy and what is the discount. Everything we will be sending them. So that is the code, and once it is done, we will be creating order. It's like a officially we are clear that yeah they're gonna buy it, so we are sending them the order, okay, to prepare ourselves to get the laptop combos from the warehouse and all. So this is for that purpose. And once we are done with this, we will fulfill it and we'll create invoice and we'll send to them. Okay, once they have paid, and we can complete this as invoice is paid. Okay, that's all. Everything is done. Any questions?
Nothing from my side.
Let me fulfill the order first. Status reason complete, and then date fulfilled today, and I'll say fulfilled. And then now I'll create the invoice. Okay, this is the invoice. Is current recalculate. If you want to recalculate, please explore like whatever the options we have by adding the products here itself. You can try adding the products and then recalculate again, and then amount will change. That way you can try. Okay, and then I'll say invoice is paid. Status reason complete. Okay. Okay. Now go back to my opportunity and then close as one. That's all. Okay. But here it's like it every stage, like by while adding the products and while creating the code. So this is like process. At each stage, the salesperson has to provide the details. Here it might be like the normal fields: identify, sales team, develop proposal. These are like the out of the box fields that we have, but based on our business requirement, this actually will change. In develop, what are all the things that you have to capture from the business? In propose, for example, I'm proposing this price list and all, right? In the propose, like what are all the important values that you have to capture? Based on that, the fields will get changed. So it's like we can create our own BPF here, business process flow, than the what we've got from the Microsoft. And it is the based on the data you have to capture, you can create the fields as well. Okay, so once you're done, we can close as one. Actual revenue details you can provide, and then click OK. Oh, draft codes are there, so it's not letting me. So I'll have to first then close them, delete them. These are close and one, so it will know the entire life cycle, so that maybe in future if you get any opportunity work on sales process, so this will be actually helpful in anywhere, like in the sales or the customer service. Before you actually start doing the customization, you should know the life cycle of it. Then only you can actually do something. Without knowing the out of the box feature, it's actually difficult to implement. For example, right now, yeah, here the product and the price list, actually it's not allowing us to add any other price list items. So that is a good thing to know. The same way in the customer service, we have few things which we have to know apart from the life cycle. The life cycle is pretty much is a lead. From lead to, if we qualify the opportunity, contact and account will get created. Inside the opportunities, whatever the process we have to know them. And then once the proper opportunity is as born, the life cycle is done. But inside it, we have product, unit groups, code, order, invoice, everything is there. So we have to know all of them, and we have to know the relationship between them as well. And while talking about the relationships, let me come here. Products. I was talking about the parent product, right? So it's like instead of creating the individual products, what I can do, I can map them to a particular uh, family. Means laptop family, that's all. It's not like I can go ahead and add this to the opportunity. I can't add a product family to the opportunity directly, as I have added the bundle. But it's just that to organize my product, I'll just create one parent product family, and I'll just add my products to this one. Okay, where is this? This one, laptop family is the product family. Then let me add default unit, primary unit. Yeah, default price list is this. Decimal supported 0. And then say, you can see actually it is not mandatory for the family because it doesn't matter for the family. And now I go back and open any product, and while creating, maybe let me retire first, we'll see. I want to revise this one, so I've click on revise and then select the family, save, change product parent. Yes, continue. For a record in the under revision state, only an under revision or active record can be selected as its parent. Let me go back. Publish it. Here now go back and I'll add my products to this family. Parent, laptop families. Save. Continue. And then publish it. Okay, go back. And then charger. Okay, this is actually for the purpose of ourselves only. It's actually not add on for the business or something. It's just that if we have the hierarchy, it's always better to actually organize the products in our system. So for that purpose, we have a family, and inside the family, we can have the products. And bundle is something if you want to sell the combo kind of thing. For example, now we have talked about the laptop, charger, and headset. That kind of thing, if you have any to sell, that kind of things, we can add them as a bundle. So instead of selecting each product every time to the opportunity, the combo, it's better to have the bundle. So this is all for the family product and bundle. Yeah, I think that's all. And let me go to the dashboards. Nothing much. Please check the dashboards and all. Okay, so here my activities, my opportunities, my open leads, active contacts, closed opportunities and current. So here today we have closed one. So it is actually showing up here. So this way the data, everything they can salesperson can see here is from the sales dashboard and act upon their open leads or the open opportunities. Okay, then that's all. If you have any questions, please let me know. We can discuss it.
Sure.
Yeah. And before going, let me show you something. So tomorrow we can discuss about the AI agents that are present in the Sales Hub app. But let me see if we have the option to enable them, because this is the trial instance and mostly it's not possible to enable them. It's a pay as you go, so it's always sales isn't created one reasons. Done. I'll try to see if I can show you without enabling this. If there is an option to show you, then I'll try to get that list of screenshots from something. I'll try to see them. If not possible, we'll start with the customer service module tomorrow. And meanwhile, please go through the 2 day session on sales lifecycle. And if you feel like if you want to know anything, please let me know. We can discuss before or end of the session. Okay. So this AA agents is nothing but whatever the entire life cycle that we have seen until now, which salesperson is actually doing. Now the AA agent, each agent, I mean, we have so many agents and each agent will uh, do this specific task. For example, there is one agent which will actually capture the details about your leads. Okay, and if you want to send any communication, you don't have to click on a new task and all, but it's just that a prompt you have to give, and it will give you the record, and it will even send you like based on the options that you choose. It's like everything it will do, and you have to configure them. That's all. From the lead creation, qualification, and opportunity creation, product adding the products, everything will be done. Okay, I think leads qualification one only I think I've seen. Remaining things I'll have to check. Sales qualification agent, sales opportunity agent, sales close agent. Okay, these are the agents. From the Microsoft documentation, we can see, but I don't think they'll be providing any screenshots. I don't think, yeah. I'll try to see if I can get something to show you. And if yes, then our tomorrow's session will be on the sales AI agents only. Otherwise, it will be customer service module introduction session. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. If no questions, we can close the session. And please, please, please try to explore whatever we have discussed today. Okay, try for yourself creating an opportunity or from the lead qualification and then opportunity creation inside the opportunity, how you are adding the products, price list, everything. Instead of using the existing one, you can create a new one so that you'll get to know what exactly it is expecting. It's just a configuration, I know, but we have to know the process as well. Okay, please try that one and we'll meet again tomorrow.
Follow the channel and stay tuned for learning videos.